this video you will learn all the benefits and side effects of hibiscus tea. If you're considering trying hibiscus tea, then make sure to watch this video to the end. But first, what is hibiscus? Hibiscus is a flowering plant native to subtropical and tropical regions throughout the world. The plant is recognized by its large and often colorful 5-petal blossoms. Certain species are used for making food, tea, and folk medicine. Chief among them is a species known as Hibiscus sabdariffa. These flowers are rich in phytonutrients and antioxidants like vitamin C. Hibiscus use in medicine can be traced back to ancient Egypt. It was believed to reduce fever and treat heart and nerve disorders. Its use in treating these and other medical conditions still persists today, although some of the claims remain unsupported by research. Hibiscus teas are found in most grocery stores, and you can find hibiscus supplements as well. Health benefits of hibiscus tea. Hibiscus tea has properties that are effective in treating high blood pressure, high blood sugar, and high cholesterol. Here is what some of the current evidence says. Hibiscus tea for high blood pressure. Drinking hibiscus tea may benefit people with hypertension according to new studies. A daily use of hibiscus tea actually reduces the systolic blood pressure as well as diastolic blood pressure. Hibiscus tea for diabetes. Hibiscus tea may help people with type 2 diabetes better control their blood glucose, although some of the current evidence is based on animal research. A recent study showed a reduction of blood glucose in rats by 12%. Another issue facing people with diabetes is the impact the disease has on blood lipid levels. Diabetics tend to have less good cholesterol and more bad cholesterol in their blood, and both of these increase the risk of heart disease and stroke. A recent study has shown great results from drinking hibiscus tea. Researchers provided 60 people with diabetes either hibiscus tea or black tea to drink twice daily for 30 days. Those in the hibiscus group had a significant increase in good cholesterol. They also had a decrease in bad cholesterol. Total cholesterol and triglyceride levels were also consistently lowered. Hibiscus tea for high cholesterol. Although hibiscus tea is commonly lauded for its ability to treat hypercholesterolemia, a review published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology suggests that it may not be all that helpful. Researchers weren't able to find any improvements in blood lipid levels. Hibiscus tea, possible side effects. Hibiscus tea is generally considered safe with few side effects. Problems, if any, tend to occur with the excessive use of hibiscus supplements. If overused, hibiscus capsules, tinctures, and powder may cause the following side effects: stomach pain, gas and constipation, nausea, painful urination, headaches, and ringing in the ears, also known as tinnitus. Even overconsumption of hibiscus tea may cause dizziness and fatigue due to its effect on blood pressure. Like other herbal teas, hibiscus tea may interfere with certain medications. These include antihypertensive drugs in which the co-administration of hibiscus may cause hypotension. The combination of high-dose hibiscus supplements and diabetes medications could potentially lead to hypoglycemia. Hibiscus also contains phytoestrogen, plant-based compounds that are similar to human estrogen. The occasional cup of hibiscus tea will unlikely do you any harm if you are on the pill. However, the regular use of hibiscus can potentially undermine the effectiveness of estrogen-based birth control. Always speak with your doctor before embarking on any home remedy that includes something as innocuous as hibiscus tea. Doing so may help you avoid interactions and side effects. Dosage and preparation of hibiscus tea. There are no guidelines directing the appropriate use of hibiscus supplements. Most capsule formulations are offered in 250 mg to 400 mg doses and are considered safe. Dried hibiscus flowers or powders can be used to make hibiscus tea and syrups. Simply steep 1.25 grams of dried hibiscus to 150 milliliters of boiling water for 5 to 10 minutes. When used for medicinal purposes, limit yourself to no more than 2 to 3 cups per day. What to look for when utilizing hibiscus. Dietary supplements are not strictly regulated in the United States, so always choose those produced by a reputable manufacturer with an established brand presence. If buying dried hibiscus flowers, only choose those that have been certified organic. As a general rule, be wary of imported remedies made with hibiscus. As much as you may believe them to be more natural, it is impossible to know for sure. They may have been exposed to pesticides, chemical desiccants, or other contaminants. If buying hibiscus for medicinal purposes, be sure that Hibiscus sabdariffa is printed clearly on the product label. Other species used for medicine include Hibiscus rosasciensis and Hibiscus taiwanese from Taiwan. Other questions regarding hibiscus. Are all hibiscus plants safe for consumption? Hibiscus plants are classified as toxicity category 4. This means that the plant and its blossoms are considered non-toxic to humans. This shouldn't suggest that you can go out and eat any blossom you see. Be sure that the plants have not been exposed to pesticides or insecticidal soaps. Dried hibiscus petals intended for potpourri should not be eaten. Certain hibiscus species are poisonous to dogs, most especially the hardy hibiscus, also known as the Rose of Sharon. If eaten, a compound known as asparagine can cause the following: vomiting and diarrhea, loss of appetite, and oral blistering in dogs. It is unknown whether it may also be toxic to canines. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this one.